All right, I'd like to discuss with you guys this morning. One of the dichotomies of trading is that you need to be thinking both ways and you need to hold two opposing opinions at the same time. So let's take oil, for example, this morning. Oil has been dropping. We've been looking to get into sells and we have been selling on oil. The market has pulled back into a red order block and given a red pivot. Now, like I say, and like I've taught you guys, sometimes the market will push a little bit beyond the red pivot and then it will reject and then it will then make the move. Okay. So if that's what's going to happen, you need to look for entries, right? So if I want to get in this and I want to do it from the 1 minute, it is very important to then switch my thinking to, okay, if I want to take a sell entry, let me actually look what the buys look like and let's see what the buyers are doing on the 1 minute. And what you can see here is that if you were buying this market, okay, and you took the buy right here and you added here and you're looking to take this market higher, you have a blue pivot and you would be looking for that red pivot to come in where it fails to make the higher high on the 1 minute. So instead of just immediately entering this because you're like, oh, it's a sell, you drop down to the lower time frame and you look for the M or the W. In this case, you would look for the M and you would look for that red pivot to say, yep, there's a bounce, and then boom, failure to make the higher high in the same zone, sell the market. So you would look, you're going to enter basically where you would look to exit for the buy on the 1 minute. So if you were taking this buy up, you would wait for that red pivot, failure to make the higher high, you would exit. Why? Because a deeper pullback is likely coming. Well, if you're looking to sell on the higher time frame, that deeper pullback is what becomes the next wave to the downside. And that is one of the dichotomies of trading is you must hold two opposing viewpoints at the same time. You are at a busy intersection in the street and there are vehicles going both ways. You need to look both ways before you trade. Very important.